breakfast. That's the end of the vlog. Bye. But like, look at this magic trick. You ready? Ready? You gonna put your head muscle down for me? Yeah. Yeah. You saw that? I can control his mood just like that. Don't forget, guys. Dab on them haters. What is the name of our group chat? 420 no scope. Where are you going? Oh, look at that. One arm press. I think we can stop filming. No, wait. Oh my god, I didn't go up the ramp enough.
Wait.
We are here live
Florida. It's
at
not
the
easy.
Micro
Because there's
Scooters
three
stunt
wheels on it.
competition.
Easy. No respect for three-wheeled scooter riders.
Cool.
Fakey 180. That's actually fun. I'm gonna do it again for fun. I just keep turning. I just keep turning. Oh yeah. I just keep turning out here. Yay! There's like no space for my foot.
It's them size 2s, girl.
What?
You got little feet shaped like empanadas.
No, my feet are actually pretty big. They're size 9 in women's. Put your head on
Enjoy the
mine.
rest of your night. I'm gonna go enjoy this rain.
Throw your hands.
Ah.
Ah!
Hello, people. I am going to smash this laptop.
Uy, banana.
Let's go to Marshall.
Oh my god, wow. Like, this is actually kind of a cool shot. Wait, because you can, like, see the sky. Can you see the sky? You see it? You see the sky? Oh man, Ricky, your face changed the lighting.
sees my.
Oh my god, your face changes the lighting. Oh, you're just too bright. Shine bright like a diamond.
Wait. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hi there, Jim Jerison here.
Howdy, y'all. I'm not really doing so good at this vlogging thing. I think I'm kind of getting some depression, like, because I'm like working every day, and I'm working whenever the days are like super nice and sunny and like not even too hot and not even too cold, and I'm just at work every single day. And it's kind of taking a toll on me. I'm dying inside. I would just want to show you guys an update on the bird. It's been a week. Still haven't really chosen a name. I mean, my dad calls him Gary. I think it's a girl, but we don't really know yet until like 6 to 8 months. Do you hear her? Hey! Hey! I just call her baby because she's still a baby, but whatever. In the wild, we see a little bird creeping inside the forest. The forest. Yee. Look at that face. Look at that face. Tweety bird, Tweety bird. Tweety bird, Tweety bird. Tweety bird, Tweety bird. Eee. Cribs. Okay, let's go check out my Cribs MTV. Let's go. What are you yelling at? You saying MTV? Welcome to my crib? She just saw herself in the mirror. That's like a whole thing. Alright, MTV. That's my crib. If you look to the left of the entrance, you see a little mirror, so, you know, could always look at yourself before you go out. Here we have the water that gets changed, hopefully every day, I don't know. We got this little stick of food just hanging, a little phallic symbol to remind her that I think she's a female. We got this little thing, it's a bridge. She likes to sleep on it, but now that I put this mirror thing here, she really likes to sleep on this thing. I don't even know why, it's like not even that comfortable. And then you got the food here, the holy grail. And you got this calcium thing that I put for her so she can, like, you know, make her sharpen her beak, but like she never uses it because you're a little nasty. Oh yeah, you are. She loves to poop on herself. That's her #1 hobby. She's pooped on her feet before, and honestly, I don't think she regrets it. She's also eaten her own poop multiple times. And basically, like, what she does when she eats her... Okay, I got a story for you. So I was like, oh my gosh, look, you pooped on the floor. And I was showing her that she pooped on the floor. And she, like, slowly came up to me and she was, like, looking down and then looking back up at me, looking down, looking back up. And she freaking devoured the entire piece of... Yeah, it's you. You ate the poop. You ate the poop. In her mouth, you could see, like, the poop. It, like, hardened around her beak, like, one side of her beak. You have to, like, attack her like this. And then take it out. I think she's pooping right now, actually. Let's see. Did you poop? Did you poop? You took a shit right on my foot, bird! Yo, what up? What up? What up, man? Took a shit. You took a shit right on my foot.